Hi, this is Pandi from Tenet. I am an application engineer in Tenet working on Arduino. In Embedded, the basic interfaces we will work on is an LCD. There are two varieties of LCD. One is a graphical LCD and another one is a normal character LCD. In character LCD itself, we are having two varieties, two to more varieties. For example, 16 cross 2 is there, 16 cross 4 is there, 20 cross 4 is there. When we interface these kind of LCDs with a controller, we need to use more number of wires. And some of the person who are not that much good in electronics will not know what is the pin meant for that purpose. So in order to avoid those confusions, we are going to release a shield called graphical LCD as well as LCD shield. So this shield is compatible with Arduino. The upper portion is meant for graphical LCD and the lower portion is meant for character LCD 16 cross 2. We can interface with 20 cross 4 also. Now first I am going to show the demo how we can interface this 16 cross 2 character LCD with an Arduino. Now the controller and board, the Arduino board, what I am going to use is a Comet, an Indian made Arduino. I am just going to use this shield. I am just going to plug this shield over this board. I am going to plug in this 16 cross 2 LCD display over this board. I am just going to upload the code. Here you can find Tenet Technetronics. These two potentiometers are meant for adjusting the contrast of this LCD. Now I fixed the value, so I am not going to change that one. And this is the graphical LCD. The code for this graphical LCD is available already in the Arduino website. The same code I am going to use for demo purpose to show the demo. It is having 20 pins. That's ordinary 16 cross 2 LCD is having 16 pins. It is having 20 pins. The graphical LCD here we are going to use is KS1008. The thing what they are using in Arduino playground. The code is getting uploaded. This is the demo code in the Arduino playground. I am just changing the brightness of this LCD, graphical LCD by wearing this potentiometer. If you want to buy this breakout, you can contact us at www.tenettech.com, and the source code and other things will be available on the blog. Just need to update the blog. Thank you.